Hello guys, welcome to Yomaxer channel. I think you guys enjoy our giveaway event on Instagram. But now today we're going to introduce a new Yomaxer fidget spinner. This one is called Eagle fidget spinner. As you see, it looks like an eagle. Yes. And this Eagle spinner is made of full stainless steel. As you see, we got a new Yomaxer brand logo. It's totally different from the one we have, and we can compare it for the older one. The older one is like this. And now we have this new Yomaxer logo caps on this Eagle fidget spinner. As you see in this fidget spinner, it got a lot of functions. Now I introduce the first one. You see this eagle head. It's like an opener where we don't have a beer to perform what is open function, but that's alright. And the other one is you can use like a wedge screwer, like this more. Oh, we have this one just for this. We have two different types. First one you can see it. Alright, this one. Yeah. The other function is this a sharp. It's very sharp. You can use it to cut a string like this one. Okay, I show you how to cut it. Okay, let's go through it. Okay, yeah, we finally got there. Okay. Now you see our function is, and it's our new Eagle fidget spinner.